So guys, just came back from the swap meet, got some pretty good deals, and I'm gonna tell you about my bike. So I'm gonna start at the top. I got these black Ricani grips, probably said that wrong. Tie-dye Stranger Barnes, it's pretty good. With that, I got these V2 Federal drop bars. All right, so we got this V1 Gary Reynolds stem. I think the homie chewed on it because it's pretty chewed up. Okay, and then to the forks, I got the Primo, I think 25mm offset, pretty good. Yo, and in the front, I have the Cinema Gary Reynolds signature rims laced to his signature hub, I believe, and Colt Vans tires. I got 2 animal pegs in the front. All right, to the frame, should I go to the frame now?
Yeah.
All right, well, at the frame, we got the Tea Green Gary Reynolds frame. This one's like the dopest color in my opinion. It's probably the fastest frame in like the world, honestly. Right here, E-Claw Seeker pedals. They're pretty fat platform. Honestly, my favorite pedal like ever made. Right here, I have the 165mm Animal cranks. And right here, I have the Animal M5 sprocket, 25 tooth. Cinema, just regular black chain. And in the back, I have the Gary Reynolds signature wheel. I think it's a FX2 hub, laced to his signature rim. And I got these 2 Animal pegs as well. And keeping me rolling, the Vans Colt tire. And I don't know what seat post this is, just kind of like a black one. But I got the Stranger camo seat on top. Shout out to Ryan at RT Bmx and her Bauer Bmx as well for keeping me rolling and then just helping me build up this bike.
You fucking kid screaming back there.
Yeah. And shout out to the BMX skin dude. Follow that guy. Subscribe.
That's fucking right. All right, back to you.
Yeah, this is my first time, so it's kind of weird as well. So I mean, that's my bike.